Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I'm not set up yet, but come Chris got one right on. We're not even set up yet. Alright, so... Oh, that's a nice looking shad. Nice looking shad, guys. There's a nice looking shad right there. Nice looking shad right there. Come on. Oh yeah, baby. That's a big J ham right there. That's a bam, bam. What is that? That's a that's a whole bunch of little chartreuse grub. Whole bunch of chartreuse grub from China, guys. Okay, so you guys can see the second. Oh, that's a fat, that's a big one. Look at that. Woo! We'll measure it for you this time. Check it out, guys. All right, look how big these guys are, man. Look at that, guys.
Look at that.
Shoot. Look at that. It's like, man, it's 20 inches. 20 inches. Yep. That is one fat. Put your hand right there, Captain Chris. Put your hand right there and see how fat the belly. Look at this. No.
Look at this. Ooh, look at this.
Look at that. Man, that is one fat guy. Look at that. With this cat, I ain't set up yet. We'll be back, guys. All right, family, I'm going to show you guys how we set our rig up for shad. So this is a 3 ounce right there. So about a foot, about maybe 18 inches up. We have one grub. You notice I like to put little beads on there. All right, they're not line shy, guys. So I got like 17 pound, and this is like 25 pound. Okay, got another foot up, and another grub with some beads there, and finally another foot up with another grub right there. So this is how we connect it. This is nothing more than just a swivel up on top, my main line, and see, I just connect it like that. Put it away like that. I'll show you how Captain Chris puts his together. Very, very similar to mine. Except Captain Chris likes to use the 20 pound all the way around. Okay, so he uses 20 pound test line. Same thing right here. This is his weight. Today we use 3 ounce, right? Sometimes we know 3 ounce, 2 ounce, whatever it is. And maybe you have about 2 feet up, 1 foot out. He's got a bunch of soft beads right here. Oh no, hard bead this time. Anyhow, so we got one grub. These are gyro little 1 inch grub, guys. Another foot up, another grub, another foot up, another grub, and same like mine, guys. All right, that's it. All right, now we're about, today was a fun day. It took us a couple of hours to find out where they are. Yeah, that's with shad fishing. If you don't catch like a half an hour, you gotta start to move. You see somebody catch something, go either behind them or in front of them, line up. So it took us a while, but once we found it, you know, as you guys see the action there, it was like non-stop. Once we find out where it is, another tip is to wait for the outgoing current. It seems like they bite more when it's outgoing current. So this is still like the Miller Bridge, Miller Park, around the area of Miller Park. We've been doing well there. This is the third try, but we started about 2:30, 3 o'clock, and now it's about 6 o'clock. We're gonna go chase after striper. So within a really short amount of time when we came here, we got something like 4 or 5 instantly. So now we're gonna go chase a striper. We're gonna take you guys along with us. So stay tuned. All right, family and friend, this is JU, Captain Chris right there. We took you to a nice ride down Discovery. Now, you know, definitely shad season because there's a lot of boats out today, a lot of bank anglers. So we decided to come all the way down by Miller Park, like where we did, well, the last 2 trips. I didn't even set up my stuff yet, and Chris got one on. Fortunately, you know, I took my camera and I videotaped it. It was a nice 19-incher, man. That's a fat one. Yeah, fat one. So hopefully we're gonna have another duplicate that in a few more minutes. This time I got all my cameras set up now. So hang along with us. We'll show you guys what we're doing. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. The guy next to us is catching more than we are, so we know the inside seam. So we're gonna move inside a bit. Right now we're outside of the river, so they look like they're biting inside. The water coming up. We're gonna move inside. We'll be back. All right, folks. What we did is we moved. See, well, you gotta pay attention when you fish for shad. If you see somebody catching something and you're next to them, you want to move like in the same line because shad kind of move in a straight single file. So now we're moving inside. So hopefully we're in the same seam. He's gonna catch, we're gonna catch. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see if my theory is correct. All right, folks. We're not getting any on the other side, so we decided to just test something different. Try it on the opposite side of the river and see what happens. Stay tuned.
Which one?
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
There you go.
That one. Yep.
That's it. That's it.
Got it.
Got it. Good.
There you go.
There
Oh
you
yeah.
go. Bring it in. Where's your camera? In here, huh? Yeah, det kan tippen. Take it easy now. There you go. There you go. Okay, come here. Got it? Coming?
I'll get the net and get it. Yes, baby. Good shot, guys.
That's okay though. For the bed.
JU hammer. Bam! JU
hammer.
Yeah. Bam, bam.
A few moments later.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Yep.
What the heck?
That was it. Yeah, it's on.
Yep.
It's on, right?
Got it. On.
Right.
On now. Good. Long time no see. On this wow.
All right, guys. Chris is on. He's way outside, the outside, on the right hand side.
Yeah, I will try to do the right side. No, the left hand side. Try to do it here. Okay.
Oh, that's a big one. Yeah, right on.
JU hammer.
Bam.
JU
Hammer.
hammer.
Bam. Woo. Look at that. Oh, that's a big one. Jeez.
That's a good one.
That's a nice size one.
Pink.
Pink grub. Nice size one.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Number one, yeah.
One, two, come.
Oh, number two.
Number
Ooh,
two.
double. Oh my
I
goodness.
thought it was double. I thought it was double.
Number one, yun.
Number one on, yeah. Number one on. I thought it was double. Shoot. One on.
All right, guys, here we go. Game time, guys, game time. Chris got one on,
Way over there.
way outside, taking his time. Taking his time.
He jump.
Oh man, he's on my line now.
Okay.
Yep, gotta go on the right, go on the right. He's on my line, on my line, up, top.
Okay.
There you go.
That's good.
I'm gonna have to go under the other one. Oh my goodness, it's a big one.
Jump.
Shoot, that's a big one.
Jump. Try to jump.
Oh, that's a big one, guys. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. There you go. Get it. Oh, there you go.
Till you hammer. Bam. Till you hammer.
Bam. Woo. That's cool.
Okay, they come out.
They came out perfect.
Is it a white one or something?
Perfect. All right.
Pink. Also pink.
Pink grub.
Pink. Small, but
Yeah, at least he's in the boat right there, guys. Nice.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh yeah, number one. Didn't let go this time.
huh?
Didn't let go
Yeah,
this time.
that's it. Number one.
Yeah, didn't let go this time.
Number one. That's it.
Didn't let go this time. Got it.
You got it?
Got it. All right, family. Got it. Oh,
Good.
shoot,
Come on.
man. Came off. Came off.
Come on. Now we put it out.
This one got it. Get him. Get two rods
You get it up too?
I got it.
You
Oh,
got
my
one too?
goodness. No, the other one don't have it, but
Okay,
oh,
let me
busy
throw it out,
chop.
let me throw it out.
Oh my goodness. You way out there.
That's good.
You go this side.
Go this side. Bring it in.
Oh, baby, way out.
Go this side. Okay, look at here.
Way out there.
Way out
These
there,
guys
huh?
saw that, right? I'm busy with my rod.
Yeah.
Come, Chris' rod came down.
That probably become the hot rod now.
Oh, this one's holding good too. This one is holding good.
Doing good?
Holding good. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's holding good. Oh yeah, baby. Holding good.
Oh, they're good. They're good.
Jump in there.
Till you hammer. Bam. Till you hammer. Bam.
That's a big one. Big one,
Big
pop
one
one
again.
too. Those guys are on that
Fish
scene on
on,
the left.
fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Just as I drop down, I got a bite. Bite on, number one.
Number one. Oh, there you go.
Number one.
You got it too?
Get it.
You got one too?
No, I got bite, but he let go.
Oh.
He let go.
They're right here. Come. Oh, yeah.
All right, shoot. Just as I was busy. Come, Chris got another one on number one.
You got them.
Way out there still.
You got them. Yeah, lift the thing down there.
He's trying to sneak on the right-hand side, but we're gonna force him to go to the left. Gonna force him to go to the left, guys. You know, when you have rod like this, you can force him to go to a certain direction that you want. And And when they get near, you can get them. There you go. Come on.
There you go.
There you go, J-Hammer.
Yeah,
Bam,
You
bam,
hammer.
bam. Man,
Bam. J
now
U
we're getting some hot
hammer.
bite now, guys.
Bam.
We found a location finally. Man, that's awesome. We'll be back, guys. All right, guys, this is where we found them finally. 24 feet, 62 degrees today, Fahrenheit. It took us about 3 or 4 times moving around, and finally we found this spot. And it is very producing. Within the last, I think, 15, 20 minutes, we got like 5 of them. It's incredible. 4 of them. It's incredible. All right, folks, we got 2 stripers rig out. We want to hope to catch some stripers. Captain Chris did real well on Monday. Same spot. We got a nice 27-inch. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. What happened? The shad rod?
No. Striper.
Oh, striper rod. Okay. I didn't see that, guys, but Captain Chris said he got a striper hit. So hopefully we're going to repeat that on Monday.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
I got the shad this time, dude. Not what I wanted, but hey, I'll take what I can get. Take what I can get, guys.
Yep.
Oh, goodness, he's into my other rig. Into my other rig here.
Underneath.
Got it.
Underneath the what? Underneath, right?
Outside. Whoa. It's underneath, dude. It's pulling down drag, too.
Oh,
Must
man.
be a big fat one, dude.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
man, must be a fat one. Pulling out drag, guys.
Well, right?
Yep, pulling drag out. Got a net there. Come, Chris. Right here. Oh, look at that. Pulling drag.
Không kéo thêm, không kéo quật thêm không?
Oh, shoot.
Lost it.
Oh, man.
Some more. Bring in some more. Okay.
That's not smoking.
Oh, now. Drop. Okay, now. Yeah, now here.
J U
Hammer.
hammer.
Bam, bam.
J U hammer.
Woo, stay tuned, guys. Ah, that's wild. Pink grub.
Hey, J.U.
You what's
How
up?
many you got?
What's that?
How many you got?
Oh, we trying to go for striper now. 6 to 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Not what we wanted, but we'll take it. Are you fishing for shad or striper?
Oh, shot.
Okay. All right, guys. All right. Captain Chris and I are really going for striper this time. We do have number 1 is got like a shad rig. Number 2 striper rig. Number 5 shad rig. Number 6 striper rig. We're really aiming for a striper. Look, I'm getting bite. Just I'm talking to you guys. Ooh, dude, come on.
Fish on, fish on,
I got a
fish
big
on,
old, I got a
fish
big
on,
old shad thing there.
Bite, they bite. They bite. Is it bite? Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yep.
Oh, got him! Oh, yeah, striper, baby.
You got
Woo!
Got it.
Hey, take that right there. There's a tape right there. Striper, baby. Woo! Let's go.
Striper. Here. Look here.
You
Yeah, striper.
guys saw that, right? Ah, that's what I'm looking for, man. Not to be baby fish, dude. Ah, man.
Baby.
Baby striper. Shoot on shad gut, guy. Well, yeah, you got it. Wait for you guys. Diaper striper. Oh man, diaper striper, guys. Oh shoot. All right. Hammer though.
Bam, bam.
Bam. Diaper striper, guys. Let me show you guys. All right. So I've got this three-way swivel, about a foot and a half down. I got a 3-ounce sinker. Got myself a little baby diaper striper. And look what's in his mouth, guys. Shad gut. That's why we're trying to catch shad. Look. We're trying to catch shad to catch this striper. And see, it's swallowed the gut. All right. So we're good. We'll let it go. Stay tuned. All right, guys. He kind of swallowed the hook, so I'm gonna have to cut this line here and retie my rig. All right. There you go. And now he's gonna.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh man.
You wait.
Oh.
No, you gotta wait.
Oh man. Oh man. You see that?
Yeah, I know. You gotta wait.
Oh man.
Try.
All right, check it out, guys. Look how big this gob is. See how big that is? Man, I almost had it. This big one. Hopefully it's gonna come back. Hey, I got it. Look. What is that? I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that's a shot.
Oh, shoot.
Way away.
Wait. You guys saw that, right? That was a one-armed bandit, man. Woo!
Right here.
Wow! Yeah, baby!
You
Bam!
hammer.
Bam!
You hammer.
One-armed bandit, baby. Woo! All right, guys, it's an amazing fishing day. Give you a quick report. You know, the American Shad made it all the way over here to Discovery. One of my viewers just told me he caught like, 25 of them. I don't know when he started. We started somewhere, we get in the water about 3 o'clock or so. And like I told you guys, once we found them, it was like, fish on and off. But we just wanted to try to concentrate on striper fishing today because my brother Captain Chris caught a 28-inch just on Monday. And so we figure, let's try it again and see what we can do. Today we got a couple bites. We missed them all. I caught a little diaper striper. But, it's part of fishing. It's a lot of fun. We got a lot of action today. And that's pretty much it. So if you're looking for a shad, they made it all the way to Discovery now. So, come out here and see what you can do. Right, Coach Chris? Yeah.
Come up here and you will catch a lot of shad. Because the other guy next to us, he caught a limit of 25.
Yeah, caught a limit right next to us. So, all right, guys, a lot of good fishing video out there. Thank you so much for coming to check us out. Till the next time. Peace out. Woo! Bam!